In the shop. With Steve.
Alright, what's going on, Daniel?
Not much. What are we doing today, Steve?
We're working on this Titan car lift.
What do you gotta do?
Just gotta make some adjustments to it. It's squeaking a little bit, so we'll get it right and send it down the road. Drum hole. It just seems like the posts are too far apart from each other. So we're gonna move them in. That way it doesn't drag. Right here on the slip. Easy fix. Hey Daniel, can we get a shot of you putting your foot on the head of that carriage bolt for me?
Foot?
Just put your foot on the carriage bolt while I tighten it up from the bottom.
Oh.
That'd be a good shot, buddy.
Absolutely.
It was an easy adjustment. I just had to move the posts a little bit closer, and now she's quiet as a field mouse.